Welcome to the Plus Addon tutorials. Today I gonna demonstrate BlockQuote widget for Elementor. In the BlockQuote, there are various styles. You can see those here. Now, first of all, in the Content tab, you have the option for the style. You can select any style, and as per that, the below options will be visible. Then you have the quote description. You have the author name option. Then you have the alignment option. The alignment option will be for the responsive devices. Then in the style tab, you have the typography options. In the typography, you have the font family, size, weight, transform, style, decoration, line, line height, later spacing options available. Then you have the option for the text color and the author color, which is available for the normal and the hover condition. Then you have the quotation color, which you can adjust from here. You also have the text shadow option for that. Then you have the padding option, a margin option. So these are all the options related to typography and the quote section. Then for the background options, you have the box border. Then you have the border radius color. You have the background color, in which you can put the color or the image. Then you have the box shadow options. All the options are available for the normal and the hover condition. Then you have the on scroll view animation. We have made separate video for this. You can check it out on our channel. Hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial on BlockQuote. If you have any other questions, write us on the comment box below. Subscribe to our channel for more video like this. Do check all the links in the description below. Thanks for watching and keep crafting amazing websites. See you in the next video.